Chapter 1. Introduction. The lowest bid wins auction. When you think of an auction, what comes to mind? Many bidders pushing the price up, right? The highest bidder wins. But what if I told you there's another type of auction, more powerful, where the exact opposite happens? An auction with one buyer and many sellers, all competing to push the price down. An auction where the lowest price wins. This is a reverse auction, and it's one of the most efficient ways to procure goods and services in the world. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we explore a cornerstone of the Hyra economy, Hyra Bid, a decentralized reverse auction platform. This is not just another DApp. It's a dynamic marketplace where computing power supply from our train-to-earn nodes meets real demand from developers and businesses. Over the next 30 minutes, we will conduct a full masterclass on this platform. We will explain the concept of reverse auctions, then provide two detailed step-by-step guides. One for buyers seeking the best price for services, and one for sellers, our node operators, looking to win valuable contracts. Chapter 2. Why do we need reverse auctions on the blockchain? So, what exactly is a reverse auction, and why is it a game changer when you put it on a blockchain like Hyra? Core concept. A reverse auction flips the roles. A buyer first specifies a service they need. For example, I need 100 hours of GPU usage to train an AI model, and I'm willing to pay up to 1,000 Hyra. Then, multiple sellers, in our case, Hyra AI node operators, see this request and start bidding. The first seller might bid 950 Hyra. A more efficient seller might bid 900 Hyra. They compete, pushing the price down until the auction ends. The lowest bidder wins the contract. This is how large corporations procure services efficiently. Advantages of blockchain. So why use Hyra for this? Because blockchain solves the biggest problems of traditional procurement. 1. Transparency. In the corporate world, this process can be opaque. On Hyra Bid, every bid is recorded on-chain. Everyone can see the current lowest price, ensuring a fair and level playing field. 2. Automation and trustlessness. The entire process is managed by a smart contract. The buyer's money is held in a secure escrow, and the contract is automatically awarded to the lowest bidder. Then, funds are automatically released to the seller once the work is completed and successfully verified. No biased intermediaries, no under-the-table deals. 3. Global access. It creates a global, permissionless marketplace. A small but efficient node operator in one country can compete and win contracts from a large business in another country, purely based on capability and price. Chapter 3. Buyer's Guide. Getting the best deal. Let's put on the buyer's hat. Our goal is to source 100 hours of high-performance GPU for an AI model. Step 1. Create your bid request. First, we connect our wallet to the Hyra Bid DApp. We navigate to Create Bid. Here, we fill in the request details. This is crucial. O service title, 100 GPU hours equivalent to RTX 4080 for AI model training. O. Detailed requirements. We can specify minimum reputation for node operators, required software environment, and deadlines. O. Maximum bid. This is the highest price I'm willing to pay. Let's set it at 1,000 Hyra. This is my budget ceiling. O. Auction duration. Let's set it to 24 hours. Step 2. Deposit funds into the smart contract escrow. To prove I'm a serious buyer, I need to deposit my maximum bid of 1,000 Hyra into the smart contract escrow. I will approve this transaction in my wallet. The funds are now securely held by the code. Step 3. Monitor bids. Our auction is now live. We can see it on the public dashboard. Look, first bid is 980 Hyra. Minutes later, another seller lowers it to 950. Now the current winning bid is 920. This is reverse auction in action, saving us money in real time. Step 4. Auction ends. 24 hours are up. The smart contract automatically closes the auction. The lowest bid is 850 in Hyra. The contract is automatically awarded to that seller. What about my money? 850 in Hyra is held for the seller, and the remaining 150 Hyra, the difference between max bid and winning bid, is immediately refunded to my wallet. I got the service I needed at 15% below my maximum budget. Chapter 4. Seller's Guide. Winning Contracts. Now let's switch roles. We are now a Hyra AI node operator participating in the train-to-earn model. Our goal is to win the 100 GPU-hour contract we just created. Step 1. Browse the marketplace. From the node operator dashboard, I go to the Find Work or Bids tab. I can see the request we just created. I review the requirements. Equivalent to RTX 4080, high reputation. My node meets these specs, so I'm eligible to bid. Step 2. Analyze competitors and calculate costs. I can view auction details, including the current lowest bid of 920 Hyra. Now, I do a quick calculation. I know my electricity and operating cost to run the GPU for 100 hours is about 300 Hyra. That means any bid above 300 will be profitable. Step 3. Place a strategic bid. The current bid is 920. I want to win, but also maximize profit. I won't bid 301. I'll place a competitive bid to become the new leader. Let's try 890 Hyra. I submit my bid. The DApp may require me to deposit a small stake to prove I'm a serious bidder. This prevents spam. I approve that. My 890 Hyra bid is now the new lowest bid. I'm the current winner. Step 4. Win and deliver. Suppose my final bid of 850 Hyra wins the auction. The Hyra Bid smart contract officially assigns the task to my node. My node receives the work package, performs 100 hours of computation, and submits proof of completion. Once verified, the 850 Hyra held in escrow is automatically released to my wallet. It's a fully automated, trustless process from bidding to payment. Chapter 5. Conclusion. The heart of the Hyra economy. As you can see, Hyra Bid is not just a DApp. It is the dynamic, beating heart of the Hyra economy. It is the engine creating a transparent and efficient marketplace, perfectly matching decentralized computing supply from our global network of train-to-earn node operators with real demand from builders and users. It empowers buyers to get the best prices and empowers sellers to compete on a global, level playing field. This is the kind of utility that takes a project beyond speculation and into the realm of a truly functioning digital nation. If this guide to the world of reverse auctions was valuable, show your support by hitting like and subscribe to the Hyra Deep Dive channel. In the next video, we'll return to technical matters with a practical guide on troubleshooting the most common issues when running your Hyra AI node. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.